guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this pink cut crease. The first thing I'm always doing is priming my eyelids. I'll be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and blending this all over my eyelid using a small kabuki brush from Sigma Beauty. Then when I have blended that product, I'm going to set it with a little bit of translucent powder just to lock it in place. And then I applied some eyeshadow guard, which will leave me with a very sharp edge at the end of the video. So now I'm going to use this white eyeshadow from the Balm Cosmetics, applying a little bit of that underneath the brow bone just to lift my brow. And for today's video, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, which is such a gorgeous palette. So I'm taking this light pink rose color and I'm going to blend this all over my crease using my Sigma E40 brush. This is going to be my transition shade, which means that it's kind of a light color, which I will blend in my crease first, just to give it warmth, and this will make it more easy to blend out the other eyeshadows that I will apply later on. Then I'm taking the shade Risk, don't know how to pronounce that, taking a Morphe M506 brush, which is a very tiny blending brush, and I'm just going to focus right in my crease. I'm just going to blend my brush back and forth. You can see that the line is quite harsh at this moment, but don't worry, if you recreate it, I will go in with a lighter shade after this to blend out the edges so it doesn't look as harsh anymore. So that's why I'm using this shade Dollface. I'm going right on top of this color I used before this, just blending this right on top of it, and this will kind of smudge out the harshness, not really sure if that's a word, but this will just make it more smooth and blend it in towards my crease. And the brush that I'm using right now is a blending brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a bit tinier than the Sigma E40. Then I'm going back in with the shade Demure. And what are all those words? I can't pronounce any of them. But I'm blending that in my crease as well, just to make sure that it looks even more blended out. Then I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, my absolute favorite concealer for carving out the eyelid and my crease. And I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid. When I'm done with applying the concealer, I'm taking this MAKEUPGEEK eyeshadow, which is called Sorbet, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid. For this I'm using a MAC 242 brush and I'm just packing on the eyeshadow. I want it to be like as intense as possible to really get that nice matte effect on the eyelids. Then I'm taking this glitter from Urban Decay, which is a glitter liner in a very gorgeous rose gold color. And I'm going to create a line right underneath my cut crease. Now I'm removing my eyeshadow guard, and you can see it leaves me with a very sharp edge, which comes in really handy because I'm now going in with some gel eyeliner, which is the Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to first create a line above the lash line, and then I'm going to follow that line that the eyeshadow guard left for me, and I'm going to create a winged liner. After applying the gel eyeliner, I'm going in with this NYX Matte, my current favorite eyeliner, and I'm going to apply this all over where I just applied the gel eyeliner. I feel like layering your eyeliner with different textures makes it more extreme, more bold, more black, so that's why I'm doing this, and especially because I feel like this NYX liquid liner is just really black and I really like that. Then I'm taking the Mr. Right pencil from the Balm Cosmetics in their black color, and I'm going to apply this all over in the waterline and also right underneath my upper lashes to make it really smoky. And then taking the shade Black Truffle from the Huda Beauty palette and applying this right underneath the lower lash line as well, also slightly on top of the waterline to make it extra smoky. And then taking the shade Dollface, which I also used for blending in my crease, pressing this right underneath the lower lash line using a pencil brush. And not only pressing, also wiping my brush back and forth to really smudge out the black with the pink to get a nice smoked out lower lash line. Then I'm going in with the Scuba mascara from the Balm Cosmetics, but first of course curling my lashes because my lashes are a mess. Then applying the mascara, and when I'm done with that I'm going to apply some fake eyelashes. I'll be using my Anytude Weary eyelashes, which are one of my favorites. I feel like they suit really well with this eye look. And then here you have the end result wearing the eyelashes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you all some inspiration on what to do with this Huda Beauty palette. But of course, if you don't own the palette but you do have like similar shades at home, of course you can recreate it as well. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This would be really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!